say that you can verify it with a test that you can trust, don't use hypothesis. Because hypothesis that is, oh, we believe that this is much better than that, it's not working. That's not a hypothesis. If you can say, this is 40% better or more efficient than this, that's an hypothesis. And that works. Because then you can show it's 40% more efficient. But that this is better than this or that, it's almost impossible to show. So think about that if you want to use hypothesis. I don't say you don't, that you cannot use it, just say think about it. Okay, so yeah, I do this too. So in the purpose, you can have two different purposes. One, and the only purpose that should be in the purpose, is the purpose with the thesis. The second that you can use that is important is the purpose with the work. But it's not necessary. But the purpose with the thesis is necessary, because that's what the purpose is about. And what's the difference between the purpose of the thesis and the purpose of the work? Well, the purpose with the thesis is what you want to accomplish with the thesis. When you hand it over, what is the purpose with it? The purpose with the work is what you've done with the work and the results. Why did you do it? And the purpose with the work you can use either in the purpose or in the goal, because both works, as long as you have the purpose with the thesis there. That's important.
I didn't understand the distinction.
The purpose with the thesis, I usually say that if you tell that you're going to present something, like the development of a, I don't know, something you did, then that is the purpose of the thesis. You are going to describe how you developed or how you created or what you're doing then. So if you think about something you're presenting, you usually get it right. However, the purpose with the work, it might be a prototype that could efficiently solve some problems in the company. So that's the purpose with the work. I wouldn't say that, because you can write the purpose of the thesis more specific too, if you want to say that, or if you want to say the other one is general. But if you think about what you are doing in the thesis and why you write the thesis, that is the purpose with the thesis. And you can have several different purposes with it. But when it comes to the work, you have probably that's something that the company want. They want something from you. And usually when you do that, you provide something that is for them. So you distinguish between that. So one is, you don't say that the purpose with the work is to develop a prototype. The purpose with the work is to have a prototype doing something for them, sort of. I mean, the purpose with the work is the product, that the product is doing something. But the purpose with the thesis is to present the development of it. And maybe also the result of what you did.
More into knowledge.
Yes, that you can say, absolutely. When I'm saying purpose with the work, I also would like to emphasize one very, very important thing. What you are doing, which is also scientific, is generalize. You're not working for one company doing something for the company. You are doing a work that each and every company with the same problem could use. That's the difference. You must generalize what you're doing. Okay? So you're not allowed to say, okay, Ericsson wants this carried out. So I do this tool and I give it to Ericsson and Ericsson is happy. And it's helped Ericsson with efficiency of their personal staff. No, Ericsson may want that, but they're only stakeholders. You are developing something that each and every company who has a problem, who wants to make the staff more efficient, that's what you're doing. So it's not only for Ericsson, it's for every company that is doing the same. So when you are looking at your own solutions, it has to be more generalized so everybody can use it. So that's also scientific. We don't do one work like a task here that we come up with a result for. We generalize so what you do can be used by everybody. Okay? Is that clear? Because I know purpose could be tricky to get right from time to time. Okay. So I gave also some help here, and we will take a break, but I also give some extra that you can look before you take a break, and we will take a break. It's 50 minutes. I know that we are a couple of minutes late, but we started almost 20 past, so about 50 minutes, and then we can continue. Okay?